Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your game is updated and you are signed into your profile so progression counts. Once done, open the auto show to spot purchasable cars and check wheel spins or festival playlist for instant wins. These give you cars or credit. You should also peek at the auction house. You can snag rare cars cheaper if you bid smartly. Make credits and influence your priority early so you can buy or unlock the cars you want faster. Now you move into steady progression. Focus on seasonal championships, PR stunt chains, and event lab challenges because they hand out cars and big credit payouts. Make sure to complete festival playlist challenges each week. They often unlock specific cars or large sums of credits. Use super wheel spins strategically when you need high-value rewards and hunt barn finds on the map for unique classics. If a car is DLC locked, buy the pack. Doing that early, finish by buying or claiming the car and moving it into your garage, then equip upgrades and tune it for the role you want. If you rely on auctions, set filters and monitor timers so you don't lose a last-second bid. Make sure purchased DLC or car packs are installed, otherwise the car won't appear. If something goes wrong, sign out, clear local cache, restart the game, and verify DLC ownership in the storefront. That usually fixes missing car issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.